Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy digital gift card and game credit in TonKeeper store. So for you to do that, you have to open your TonKeeper app on your iPhone. Once it has been opened, you come down here and tap on this particular option called browser. Once you have it, or when you tap on it, another page is going to pop up, and from there you tap on this option called Ton Store. Tap on it and give more minutes to load. Actually, this page takes a little while for it. Then good, it has been open, and from here you can buy any digital card of your choice, or you can simply buy game card. You can see this is PlayStation, this is P2B, this is Free Fire, this is Roblox. Then for cards, also for digital cards, this is Amazon, this is gift, this is Apple Card, this is eBay, this is Walmart, this is Best Buy. So just depends on you if you want to buy any of their products. Then once you tap on it, once you tap on a particular product, let's take for instance PlayStation. Good. So this is it. You can have this particular card. This is the amount, this is the what price, this is estimate price for this particular PlayStation card. Once you bid for it, when it has it to card, when it adds it to your card, you can simply pay for it by linking your TonKeeper wallet to this Ton store. Then make your payment and the eco will be sent to your mail. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.